Okay, let's talk about changing your Facebook password. It should be simple, right? But then you click one thing, then another, and suddenly you're completely lost in this digital maze of menus and settings. Don't worry, I've got you.
All right, first things first, we need to navigate from your home page all the way to the main settings area. Let's start with those first few taps.
Okay, go ahead and grab your phone and open up that Facebook app. From your main feed, find your profile icon, that little picture of you in the top right, and give it a tap. Now you're on your profile. See those three little dots up in the top left? That's our next click.
Great. From here, just scroll down the page a bit until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap that, and you'll see a little menu pop out. From that list, just tap on Settings, and boom, you've made it to the main control panel. You should see Account Center right at the very top of the screen. It's hard to miss. Go ahead and tap that. Now, look for the section called Account Settings, and right inside there, you'll see Password and Security. That's what we're looking for. Tap it. We are so close.
All right, this is it, the home stretch. We're on the screen where we can finally actually make the change and lock down your account with a new password.
The very first option you see should be Change Password. Let's tap on that. Facebook will then ask you to confirm which account this is for. Just select your Facebook profile from the list to keep going.
Okay, you're going to see three boxes here. In that first box, go ahead and type in your current password. Then, in the second box, enter your new awesome, strong password. And finally, just type that same new password one more time in the third box to confirm it. Simple as that. Once those three fields are all filled in and ready to go, just hit that Change Password button at the bottom. And you're done. Your account is officially updated. Your new password is now active.
But wait a minute. What if you've forgotten your current password? I mean, it happens to the best of us. Don't panic. Facebook has a built-in lifeline for this exact problem. So, on that last screen, you really have two choices. If you know your current password, you just fill in the boxes like we talked about. But if you're stuck, what you're going to do is look for that little blue link that says Forgot Your Password. That is your escape hatch.
Tapping that link will send a recovery code straight to your email or your phone. Just grab that code, type it into the app, and you'll get to create a brand new password right then and there. No old one required. It is a super useful safety net.